Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science class. So, children, as you all know that we have completed our chapter number 7, that is birds, nesting habits of birds, right? So, today we are going to continue the assignments, okay? But, children, before starting today's assignment, I would like to tell you all that you should do your work regularly so that you will not, feel burden after 2-3 days, okay? And if you will complete your work on time regularly, then definitely you will not face any problem, neither in exams nor in unit tests or anything, right? So please children, pay attention towards your studies, as I know that few students are only watching videos these days, and even you are not sending your notebooks for correction, right? So I want you all to do your work on time and send your notebooks for correction, so that we will check and see whether you are doing it in a correct way, correct manner or not, okay? So children, please be attentive towards your studies and be regular towards your studies, okay? I know that time is really very tough and you are facing lot of difficulties at home. You are not feeling active at home nowadays. You don't want to study as ma'am is not there, and you are feeling bored, you are feeling depressed sometimes. But it doesn't mean that you will not pay attention towards your studies. You have to pay attention towards your studies, okay? आप सबको अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान देना है, क्योंकि बेटा you have to go to the next class, and for going to the next class you have to clear the exam, okay? आपको एग्ज़ाम्स क्लियर करने हैं, और एग्ज़ाम्स आप तभी क्लियर कर पाओगे जब आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई करोगे, अच्छे से स्टडी करोगे, ओके? सो काइंडली ट्राई टू study regularly, kindly try to do practice of maths, practice of grammar regularly, so that you will be become perfect in it, okay? So I hope you all have understood my point, that what I want you to understand, what I make you to understand. Yes, so try to do your work and all the things regularly, okay? Whether it's your exercise, whether it's your homework, whether it's your assignments, whether it's your videos, watching videos, so kindly do all the things regularly, so that it will not you will not feel burden about it, and you will not feel like not doing it at all, okay? Because if you will collect all the work together, then definitely you don't want to do work, ओके? एंड आपका मन नहीं करेगा काम करने का, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि अब नहीं करना काम, इतना सारा काम हो गया, कैसे शुरू करूँ, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? तो बेटा ट्राई टू डू इट रेगुलरली, ओके? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज असाइनमेंट वर्क, टुडेज क्लास, ओके? So here today we have done our matching, we have done our fill-ups, we have done true false also, we have done tick the correct options. Now today we are going to do the question answers, okay? So first question for today is, what is hatching? Yes, when I have started the chapter, at that time only I taught you that what is hatching, right? When the egg break open and the baby birds come out, it is called hatching, राइट? व्हेन द एग ब्रेक ओपन, जैसे ही एग जो है वो ब्रेक, उसका जो छिलका होता है उसमें क्रैक पड़ता है, और वो जब खुलने लगता है और बेबी बर्ड्स उसमें से बाहर आ जाती हैं, तो दैट होल प्रोसीजर इज नोन एज हैचिंग, ओके? सेकेंड इज दैट नेम टू बर्ड्स विच डू नॉट बिल्ड नेस्ट ऑन ट्रीज. दो ऐसी बर्ड्स के नेम बताने हैं आपको, टू ऐसी बर्ड्स जो कि ट्रीज़ पर अपना घोंसला नहीं बनाती हैं. यस, इट मीन्स अगर वो ट्रीज़ पे नहीं बनाती हैं तो कहाँ बनाती होंगी? ग्राउंड पे बनाती होंगी, है ना? सो swallows and swans build their nests on the ground, okay? Swallows जो bird होती है, that used to make its nest with the help of mud, right? And swan used to make its nest nearby river or lake or pond, nearby watery area or that kind of area, na? Right? So swallows and swans are the two birds that build their nests on the ground, right? And there are more birds that make their nest, like penguin also make its nest on ground only with the help of pebbles, right? So but these two we have written in the answer. Okay, so what is hatching? Hatching means when the egg break open and the baby birds come out, right? It is called hatching. And name two birds which do not build nests on trees. Swallows and swans build their nests on the ground. Okay, so now let's move to next question. Okay, so question number 3 is, why do birds build nests in places that are difficult for us to see or reach? Okay, so birds जो हैं अपने नेस्ट ऐसी जगह पर क्यों बनाती हैं जहाँ पर हमारा पहुँचना या हमें देखना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो. Yes, so let's see what is the answer of this question. Birds build nests in places where we cannot reach or see to protect their eggs and their young ones from predators. Yes, so वो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? They are doing so just because to protect their eggs and their young ones from predators. Yes, वो अपने बच्चों को और अपने अंडों को जो प्रीडेटर्स होते हैं, प्रीडेटर्स कौन होते हैं? एनिमीज़, यानी कि जो बड़े एनिमल्स होते हैं जो उनके एग्स को खा सकते हैं या हार्म पहुंचा सकते हैं, उन एनिमल्स से बचाने के लिए दे आर जस्ट बिल्डिंग देयर नेस्ट इन दोज काइंड्स ऑफ प्लेसेस वेयर वी कैन नॉट रीच और सी. यस, गॉट इट? Okay, so what is the answer? Birds build nest in places where we cannot reach or see to protect their eggs and their young ones from predators. Okay, now what is the next question? The next question is, name the materials an eagle uses to build its nest. है ना, eagle जो है वो अपना घोंसला किससे बनाती है? An eagle build its nest with sticks and twigs. है ना, ईगल किससे बनाती है नेस्ट? स्टिक्स एंड ट्विग्स की हेल्प से. ओके, एन ईगल बिल्ड इट्स नेस्ट विद स्टिक्स एंड ट्विग्स, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो व्हाट इज our next question? Let's see. Why do birds migrate? What is the meaning of migrate? Migrate means to move from one place to another in warm weather, right? To search warm weather, right? So birds migrate to escape the harsh cold months of the year. ओके, सो बर्ड्स जो होती हैं वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इसलिए जाती हैं क्योंकि वो अपने आप को ठंडे और जो एकदम हार्ड वेदर हो जाता है उससे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, आप खुद को और अपने बच्चों को बचाने के लिए. यस, सो बर्ड्स माइग्रेट टू एस्केप द हार्श कोल्ड मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर. Yes, that is why they need to migrate, right? Now, what is the last question for today? How does the weaver bird build its nest? Weaver bird अपना घोंसला कैसे बनाती है? A weaver bird weaves together pieces of grass, leaves or twigs to build its nest. राइट, वीवर बर्ड क्या करती है? वो ग्रास, लीव्स और ट्विग्स को क्या करती है? बुनती है साथ में अपने नेस्ट को बनाने के लिए. यस, अ वीवर बर्ड, उसका नाम वीवर बर्ड इसीलिए रखा गया बिकॉज इट यूज टू वीव इट्स नेस्ट. है ना, वो अपने नेस्ट को वीव करती है, बनाती है बहुत अच्छे से. किसकी हेल्प से? ग्रास की हेल्प से, लीव्स की हेल्प से और ट्विग्स की हेल्प से. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन for today and in this chapter, right? So children, what was our fifth question? Our fifth question was that why do birds migrate? So birds migrate to escape the harsh cold months of the year, right? अपने आप को कोल्ड मंथ्स से बचाने के लिए, हार्श वेदर से बचाने के लिए बर्ड्स माइग्रेट करती हैं फ्रॉम द कोल्डर रीजन टू वार्मर रीजन. एंड व्हेन द कोल्डर रीजन just get warmer, at that time they came back to the same place. Yes. And how does the weaver bird build its nest? A weaver bird weaves together pieces of grass, leaves or twigs to build its nest. Okay, वो अपना घोंसला बनाने के लिए pieces of grass, leaves और twigs से क्या करते हैं? They used to weave their nest. Okay, so I hope you have understood question answers, right? So do it in your science notebook in neat and clean handwriting, and try to learn it as well, as you know that your subjective type papers and objective type papers, both kinds of papers will be conducted, okay, from the month of January. Okay, so children, try to do preparation for those tests beforehand, okay, so that you can just get ready and get prepared for it beforehand, and you will prepare very well for the tests also, as well as for exams also. Okay, and take very good care of yourself, study regularly, and do yoga regularly, right? And please pay attention towards your studies regularly. Okay children, stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.